What the? That's an unexpected thunderstorm. Hey, it's an unexpected thunderstorm. I know. We gotta know where to go. Well, because of Hurricane Wanda, they can't even show the forecast of a thunderstorm. Wow. We have nowhere to go. Hmm. Maybe we can go to the shelter in Panama and that's over all over here. It's far away. The worst hurricane in the world. Okay. I thought okay, get on the base right now. Okay. The shelter got blown away, but they still got the underground basement. It's where people went to survive Hurricane Wanda. This global warming is no joke. Oh, it sounds like it stopped raining again. Let's go. Yay, it stopped raining. Yay. WLOX. An unexpected thunderstorm hit Panama City, Florida. And people was panicking because they want to get struck by lightning and went to shelter underground, like to the basement, where people went. So they went to the basement where people survived Hurricane Wanda. See, the hurricane blew away the studio, and now we can't. And now we can't even show the forecast of the weather. We can't even show if a thunderstorm's about to hit or not. So pretty much this hurricane tore this city up. So pretty like this city's moving like it's gonna be a little while until the city get rebuilt to where we can show the forecast of weather again. Like of thunderstorms, rain, or something like that. And it's 5 days after Hurricane Wanda hit. Man, this is the worst hurricane. This was the worst hurricane in the world. This was the strongest hurricane in the world. I think, yeah, I heard that the hurricane Toa is on the zone area because it is close to a hurricane, and the hurricane can do that as well. It's not that far from it, so yeah, it can do that. I think the whole United States might have had some wind from it. Like, well, most of the United States has some breeze from it, not the strong winds like we had over here. Atlanta got messed up too. Like it hit Atlanta, Chicago 4. It didn't hit Atlanta directly, but it hit near Atlanta. They messed up Atlanta too. So this hurricane went up north and weakened all the way down to a tropical depression in Canada, and then went off into the Atlantic, back into the Atlantic, and dissipated there. before it hit the United Kingdom. So I hope another storm. I hope we won't get another strong hurricane, or else we're gonna get messed up. So soon we're gonna go back to normal. Oh, and I think Texas might have had, but they had a strong breeze from it. California, way over there on the other side of the country, the the west side of the country, they had strong winds. So I think they only had like, they barely got winds from it. They probably like got 10 miles per hour winds. So you should already know what happened to Mobile. They got messed up too. They had like 200 miles per hour winds. Miami had like tropical storm force winds. No, they probably had like Category 2 hurricane force winds because they're all on the east side of it. So no. Yeah. They told me that they had 200 miles per hour winds. Very strong. I won't forget like how bad. I don't want to forget that they had some strong winds over there too. But nowhere near as bad as it is over here. But Destin got messed up too. They had like 400 miles per hour winds. That's very strong. But we got the worst of it because we got the eye. So soon, we should go back to normal and go back to our lives. And Panama City should be better than ever when the dust get rebuilt.